Hello everyone, I'm Dilasha Kharel and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonates with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So, today's pick a card reading is about your life after marriage with your future spouse. So, this is a requested video from one of my viewers. So, in today's reading, we will be looking into how your relationship is going to be with your spouse and how your spouse is going to feel about you, like what kind of marriage are you going to have, and any guidance from the angels for your marriage, for your relationship, and if there are any obstacles in your marriage, like how you can overcome those obstacles as well. And overall, we will also look into how your career, your health, and your relationship is going to be after your marriage with your future spouse. Okay, so we have three piles in front of you: pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. So for those of you who don't know how to select a pile, you can choose the pile with your intuition, or the pile you feel most drawn to, most attracted to, or by looking at the crystals, or with the number pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3, or through timestamps as well if you feel more attracted to numbers. Now, meditate on each pile and choose the pile with your intuition as well. Pause the video if you'd like to. Take your time, pick a pile, and once you are done with the selection, you can check the description box below and forward the video to your respective timestamps. Welcome pile 1 for those of you who choose this crystal. Now let's see what messages do we have for you and what angels have in store for you. So we will look into the messages from the other decks later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So pile 1 from the tarot deck, we have for you the 10 of Swords. Okay, then we have the Knight of Pentacles. Then we have the 6 of Wands. Then we have the Hermit. We have the Hierophant. Okay. And we have the Queen of Swords. Okay. So, pile 1, I feel that for a lot of you, it will be like, you will have faced a lot of disappointment in your previous relationships, or you could be dating people, but you are not able to find that person that you could spend your life with. Yes, you couldn't be able to find your partner, and also you could have had a past as well, and after when you move on from that past and you leave that relationship, you are going to meet this new person when you will move on from that previous relationship. And also I feel that pile 1, that after your marriage, your career, your finances, like your money, that is going to thrive a lot. Yes, and you'll be so much focused on your career and your professional growth. And I also feel that yes, there will be a lot of spiritual growth as well for a lot of you. And also learning is one thing that I'm strongly feeling in this reading. And I feel that you will be learning, and yes, you will be receiving higher education after your marriage, and this could be like, academically, or also, you could engage yourself in some other courses as well that you have interest in. And yes, I also feel that, your marriage will be like very peaceful and very joyful as well. And yes, after your marriage, you people are going to achieve a lot of success and growth as well in your career wise as well, and in your personal life as well. And also, I feel that you people are going to come into your higher power after your marriage. But one thing, pile one, I feel that after your marriage, you people are going to, gain a lot of success and a lot of, recognition for your hard work as well. So what could happen is that, sometimes with all that success, you know you could have that pride and that ego, coming in your relationship. So one thing I feel that, you people need to listen to your partner as well. Yes, you need to listen to your partner advice and their opinion. I feel that, both of you need to have that honest conversation. You people need to talk and have communication as well. Yes, you need to listen to your partner. That is one thing I feel. But other than that, yes, your marriage will be full of peace and joy. And also, yes, your marriage will be very healthy as well. And I also feel that your partner will be very supportive in whatever work that you do. But yes, they will be, someone uh, who sticks to, rules, and who is very much about, traditions. Yes, but also I feel that, they will be someone who will be like your comfort. And, whenever you have any difficulty, like, you will be going to them, and you are going to find that comfort and that happiness in your partner. So your marriage is really very peaceful and very beautiful as well. You are going to have a very beautiful relationship with your spouse after your marriage. Now let's see what messages do we have for you from the romance angels. So from the romance angels, pile 1, we have for you love yourself first. Okay, then we have soulmate. Wow. And we have separation. Okay, then we have playfulness, and we have keep an open mind. Okay, so yes, pile 1, um, you know your partner could be different from what you expect. And you know uh, because I also feel that, you need to have an open mind. Yes, that is what angels are guiding you, because you both could have different lifestyles, and or you both could be, living in some different cities, or they could be from, living in another country as well. Yes, so you need to keep an open mind, because your partner, both of you could have different lifestyle. Yes, but yes, they will be very supportive and very helpful, yes, in whatever you do. And yes, one thing that is coming up is, angels are guiding you that you need to love yourself first, because the more you are going to, love yourself, the more you are going to value yourself and in your own personal growth, the more that person is going to come towards you, and the more they are going to love you. And yes, that is what angels are guiding you, that your self respect makes you more romantically attractive. And also, yes, we have the soulmate card. So yes, pile 1, angels are, angels wants you to know that this person whom you are going to get married to, they are going to be your soulmate, they are your soulmate. Yes, and you people are going to share a very beautiful relationship together. But then we have separation as well. But I feel that separation in this reading, as in, like, not necessarily like, yes, for very few of you it could be like, you could be separated. But like, I see this as, maybe some of you could, like, live in different places because of your work as well. And also, I feel that yes, you need to have a balance between your career and your personal life as well, pile one. Also, I feel that with this card that separation, as in, like, you both will be very much focused in your own individual career and your own personal growth as well. So yes, basically you won't be like that, uh, the couple that are always, like, have to be together. Like, there will be freedom in your relationship. You both have that space, your individual space in this relationship. And then we have playfulness as well. So yes, you need to angels are guiding you that you need to keep that playfulness and that romance alive in your relationship. And yes, you shouldn't be like all about your work and your career. So yes, you need to listen to your partner, and you need to have that playfulness and romance, to keep your relationship healthy. So that is what is coming up. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the Archangel Michael. So from the Archangel Michael, we have for you pile one, have confidence. Okay. Then we have God is in charge. Okay. Then we have be gentle with yourself. And we have lean on God and the angels for support. Okay. So yes, pile one, Archangel Michael, he is guiding you that yes, you have got that strength and that power and that skills within you. And that your career is going to thrive a lot after your marriage. Yes, and also Archangel Michael is guiding you that you need to have confidence in yourself, you need to love yourself first, so that person is going to love you even more. And also you need to listen to your intuition as well. Yes, and the more you love yourself, your self love, that is going to attract healthy people towards you. And that is going to help your relationship to get even more deep as well. And also Archangel Michael, he is guiding you that if you have any worries, and if you have any you know if you face any obstacles, and if you have any worries after your marriage with your partner, then you just need to surrender to God and angels. And you need to have faith, and you need to trust that whatever is that you are facing, you are having any issues, God is in charge, and God and angels, they are taking care of those things. And yes, any issue is going to resolve, and you are going to have a very beautiful relationship with your partner. Then we have be gentle with yourself. So yes, Archangel Michael, he is guiding you that you need to be good to yourself. And you know self love is also all about, like, you need to speak lovingly to yourself. And also one thing I feel that, you need to meditate as well. And as you meditate, you need to uh, keep thinking and speaking, and keep saying positive affirmations as well. Yes, and you need to be gentle with yourself, and also you need to have, compassion, and you need to release any kind of worries and tensions and anxiety. Yes, um, yes, and also I feel that, some of you people even need to, exercise a lot, because that is also going to help you to be in a good mood as well, pile one. And one thing I feel that, some of you could uh, need to focus on your diet as well. Yes, after your marriage. And then we have lean on God and the angels for support. So yes, Archangel Michael, he is guiding you, he is asking you that, do not try to do everything just by yourself, because you have a very supportive partner. You are going to have, a very helpful and supportive partner. So yes, allow, your partner to help you. And yes, and also Archangel Michael is guiding you that, you need to speak your mind, and you need to express yourself, have that honest conversation with your partner. And also Archangel Michael is guiding you that you need to, you know remember that you are a very strong person as well, and you need to let go of any worries and have confidence in your, inner power and your strength. Now let's see what messages do we have for you from the Akashic Tarot. So from the Akashic Tarot pile 1, we have for you the Oracle of Delphi. Okay, then we have Archangel Michael. Okay, so Archangel Michael is himself in your reading pile 1. Then we have Archangel Raphael as well. Wow, a lot of angels and a lot of angels blessings in this reading. And then we have the Garden. Okay, so yes, I feel that pile 1, you people have, great psychic power. And after your marriage, you people are going to, grow spiritually a lot. Yes, and you need to listen to your intuition as well. You need to believe in yourself, and you need to allow that inner wisdom, and that power, that psychic power you have within to, come out. Yes, and also, you need to listen to your intuition, because it will help you, it will keep guiding you uh, towards the path that you need to take on. And also it will help you to guide in your marriage as well. Yes, and then we have Archangel Michael. So yes, Archangel Michael is with you, pile 1, and after marriage, he is going to support you. And also Archangel Michael, he is here to, let you know that, you have amazing strength. Yes, all you need to do is, you need to have confidence in yourself. You need to be gentle with yourself. You need to have that self love, and you need to trust yourself, and you need to trust your partner as well, pile 1. And then we have Archangel Raphael as well. So yes, after your marriage, new doors of, opportunities that is going to open up for you. And he is all about, the energies of, love and family. So yes, you will always be, having that love and support and care from your partner and from your family as well after marriage. And you will always, find yourself of those supportive and helpful people around you. Pile one. Yes, then we have the garden, the five of roses. So yes, I feel that pile one, you people will be blessed with a very beautiful family. And I also feel that, uh, with this card, that some of you could, expect like very soon after your marriage. Yes, like it will be like, uh, some of you could not be, expecting to get pregnant, but you could get pregnant unexpectedly, like when you were not, even thinking to have a baby. And also I feel that with this card that, some of you could even buy your own house. And both of you, like just the two of you, you and your partner, you both could buy a new house or move into a new house, after your marriage. And just the two of you could be living there, and you people will have a very, beautiful home and a very beautiful place to live in. Yes, and it will be all about joy. And also I feel that, after your marriage, yes, you both will be, keep focusing on your own career as well, and you both will help each other grow as well. Pile one. And I also feel that, some of you could do something around, like something to do with children, like the welfare of children as well. And yes, um so yes, a lot of angels blessing. Now let's see what guidance do we have for you from the Monology Oracle. So from the Monology Oracle, pile one, we have for you, you and your loved ones are safe. So yes, angels are guiding you that you do not, need to worry. And if you have any worries, any, issues, so yes, let, just have faith in God and angels and surrender any worries to God. Then we have step out of your comfort zone. Okay, then we have what do you need to release. Okay, and we have meditate and contemplate. Okay, as I told you earlier, pile one, yes, some of you need to, meditate, and you need to do exercise as well. Yes, because that will help your energies to, remain balanced as well. And yes, you need to release any worries, any, negative emotions. Yes, because that is also, going to help, and that is going to benefit your relationship a lot. Also, pile one, angels, they are, asking you that after marriage, a lot of you could be, focused in your career a lot, and you could become, highly ambitious as well. So yes, you need to make a balance and take care of your own self and your family as well. Yes, you need to take care of your partner. Like, your partner could sometimes feel like, you are neglecting them and you are all about your career. So yes, keep that in mind. And yes, um you know have that playfulness. And yes, keep that romance and playfulness alive in your relationship. And also, angels are guiding you that, after your marriage, you will be living a very happy and a very fulfilling life. So, whatever has happened in your past, yes, you people need to let go of the past, and you need to leave the past behind. pile 1. Yes, you need to let go of anything that was not healthy for you, and you need to start a new beginning, have a new beginning. And we have a lot of new moon energies in your reading pile 1. So yes, new moon is all about new beginnings and new opportunities as well. And yes, angels are guiding you that you need to let go of any emotional baggage, you need to release anything. And I feel that you need to make exercise and meditation a part of your life. And yes, you need to focus on your self care pile 1. And yes, then we have, yes, meditate and contemplate. So yes, you need to listen to your intuition pile 1, and also you pay attention to your dreams as well, because through your dreams, through your intuition as well, angels will be keep guiding you as well. So yes. And also this card is also about soulmate relationship, and we have the soulmate card here as well from the romance angels. So yes, you have a very beautiful relationship. So yes, your marriage will be very beautiful pile 1, and your life after marriage is going to be very beautiful. So yes, that was all for you pile 1. I hope that the messages resonates with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonates with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you pile 1. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome pile 2. For those of you who choose this crystal, now let's see what messages do we have for you and what angels have in store for you, and how is your life going to be like after your marriage. So we will look into the messages from other decks later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So pile 2, from the tarot deck, we have for you the Tower card. Okay. Then we have the High Priestess. Then we have the Empress. We have the Eight of Pentacles. Wow, beautiful energy. Then we have the Devil card. Okay. And we have the Ace of Wands. Okay. So pile 2, I feel that your life after marriage, your life is going to transform a lot, but yes, in a positive way. And I also feel that some of you you could leave a past, you could leave a relationship that was unhealthy for you, that was that has become very toxic as well. And after you leave that relationship, I feel that then you could be manifesting this new partner, this marriage. Yes, you could be manifesting this partner, because I feel that the relationship you could be in, right now some of you could be in a relationship, but that is really toxic and unhealthy. So yes, if some of you are in that kind of relationship, so I feel that you people are not yes, you people are not going to get married to that person, and some of you are going to leave that person and then manifest this partner to whom you are going to get married to. Yes. And also pile 2, I feel that you people are very nurturing, very loving, and very innocent at heart as well. Yes. And you people are all about giving, but I feel that when you meet this partner, yes, to whom you are going to get married to, you know, it will be like, they will help you understand yourself better, and they are going to tell you something about yourself, which will be very shocking, and yes, which will be like really very shocking. And but yes, that thing, the thing that your partner, they are going to tell about you, it will help you grow and transform in a positive way, and that is going to be for your own highest good. Like, they are really going to bring out the best in you, pile 2. Yes, but they will reveal, they will tell something about you that is going to be very shocking. Yes, and that could also cause you some worry at first, but yes, that is going to be for your own highest good. Yes, maybe you need to make some changes. Yes, so that is why that thing is going to come into your life, but it will be for your own highest good, and you are going to transform in a very positive way, beautifully. Yes, a very beautiful transformation is what I feel for you, pile 2. Also, I feel that you people have some spiritual talent as well. Yes, and you people have a very creativity as well. Yes, you people have spiritual talents, you people have creative talents within you. And after your marriage, pile 2, that is going to come out even more. Yes, you people are going to realize your creativity, your creative power, your spiritual power even more, and you people are going to grow spiritually a lot as well. And also, pile 2, it will be like people will be working upon your skills as well. Yes, after your marriage, you people will be working on those skills which you have. You people are going to realize your talents, your power, your gifts that you have. Yes, and for a lot of you, I feel that you will be very knowledgeable after your marriage. Yes, you people will be learning a lot of new things. Yes, and also after your marriage, your career is going to thrive a lot, and you'll be working very hard. Yes, and I feel that, pile 2, you need to listen to your inner voice as well. Yes, that is one thing I feel, because you know uh, you people have some you know some psychic powers, some spiritual gifts within you. Yes, and you need to realize your inner power, inner strength. And also, pile 2, I feel that there is some kind of fear in your subconscious, like within you there is some kind of fear, and you need to let it go, and you need to come out of that fear. Maybe, yes, this could be the thing, your partner could be revealing about you and help you transform in a positive way. Yes, because I see a very beautiful transformation in your reading, pile 2. And your partner, they will help you, they will support you to, yes, get out of that fear as well. Because pile 2, I feel that your partner, yes, they will treat you like you are their world, and they will treat you like a queen. Yes, they will be very loving and very caring towards you. But yes, at times your partner could be a little manipulative as well. Yes, and sometimes, like even though they are very loving, but yes, sometimes they could be very dominating as well. But yes, they will be very good at heart as well. But they have this kind of energy within them that sometimes unintentionally or unknowingly as well, they could be like very dominating as well. Yes, And also I feel that, for some of you it could be like, there could be a third person. Like, it doesn't necessarily, have to be, some romantic relationship, but like, yes, a third person that could also be, manipulating your partner, or they could be trying to influence your marriage as well. Now this third part, this third person, this third party could be a family member, yes, your partner family member, or could be their friends, like anyone, but they are trying to influence your marriage, and they are trying to manipulate your partner as well. Yes. uh, and also I feel that, pile 2, um, your partner, they will be, yes, very loving towards you, and they are also very attracted to your beauty as well. And yes, after your marriage, pile 2, I feel that for a lot of you, yes, a lot of new opportunities is going to open up for you, because I feel that, you people have so much of talent, so much of creativity, so much of spiritual gifts as well. So yes, lots and lots of, doors of opportunities is going to open up for you. You people are going to learn a lot of new things as well. Yes. And yes, very beautiful energy. You people are going to, have a lot of opportunities coming up your way. And I also feel that, yes, some of you could even start your own business as well. Now this could be, something related to some creative business and some online business as well. Some of you could even start, like, work from home. Yes, you could be working from your home, you could have that, online business. But yes, you are working really hard, and I also feel that, you people will be really successful at it as well after your marriage. Yes. And also, yes, romantically, yes, so your marriage, it will be full of passion. Yes. And also I feel that, you people, could have a baby, like, unexpectedly, like, you are not expecting to have a baby, but you could expect very soon as well. Yes, but your marriage will be like, very healthy, and your married life will be very positive as well. um yes. And also pile 2, I feel that, some of you, yes, this could be like, for some of you, you could, get married and move to a new country as well. Yes, because I feel that there is going to be a shift of place in this reading. Yes, so some of you could get moved to a new country after your marriage. And also, I feel that, if you are, working, and if you have a job, if you are working somewhere, if you have, a certain uh, career, like, yes, after your marriage, I feel that, you people will be working on a totally different career. Yes, something different, and you people are going to be very successful at it as well. Now let's see what messages do we have for you from the romance angels. So from the romance angels, pile 2, we have for you, you deserve love. Okay. Then we have unrequited love. We have calling in your soulmate. And we have true love. Okay. Wow. So yes, pile 2, angels are guiding you that, you need to know that, you deserve love, and you are someone who is, uh, who are very lovable person. Yes. And you are very nurturing, as I told you earlier, you are very loving, and you people are all about, giving love to others. So yes, you people also deserve love, and you people are, going to get married to someone who is, worth your love as well. Pile 1, oh sorry, pile 2. Why I'm saying pile 1? Yes, pile 2. So Yes, you will be getting married to someone who is worth your love as well. And then we have unrequited love. So I feel that, pile 2, like this could be about, for those of you who are in a relationship, like, your person could be, or even, if you have already met the one, you people are going to get married to, like this person at times, he could be or she could be, like, in and out of relationship. Yes, there is some kind of imbalance in, you know this relationship before marriage. That is what I feel. But yes, after marriage, that is going to solve as well. Yes. And yes, you people are, calling in your soulmate. So yes, some of you could leave that unhealthy relationship, your past, and you could be, yes, manifesting this new partner, and you could be, calling in your soulmate. Yes. And also angels are guiding you that, if you keep, visualizing this new partner, this, how your marriage should be like, and if you keep praying and affirming, and yes, have faith in angels, so that is going to, help you, both of you, bring together very soon as well. Yes. And also, yes, your prayers, your affirmations, and your visualization, it will help you, attract that true love in your life, pile 2. And this love, this is going to be a romance of a lifetime. Yes, you people are going to find your true love, and you people are going to get married to your true love, pile 2. Yes. And I also feel that, with this new person, with your partner, it is not going to be, like you, with your past as well. Yes, in your past relationship, it is not going to be like that. Like in this new partner, in this new relationship, you people are going to, feel very loved. And yes, they will be your true love, and you people are going to, discuss anything. And yes, you are going to have that honest conversation. You people will speak, each other's mind as well. Yes, you people will be having a lot of communication as well. That is what I feel, pile 2. Now let's see what messages do we have for you from the Archangel Michael oracle. So yes, from the Archangel Michael, we have for you, pile 2, a favorable outcome. Wow. Then we have explore your options. Okay. Then we have energy healing work. Okay, as I told you earlier, some of you have spiritual gifts as well. Take your time making this decision. And we have use your imagination and you will see the answer. Beautiful. Okay. So yes, pile 2, Archangel Michael, is asking you that, you need to allow Archangel Michael to, be in charge as well. Yes. And it will help you to, manifest your partner, this marriage, very soon as well. And this marriage, this relationship of yours, it is going to be, for a lifetime. Yes, it will be a long term. And also, you have a favorable outcome. So yes, your marriage will be, yes, very successful, and you'll be having a very happy marriage as well. And also, pile 2, Archangel Michael is, asking you that you need to be honest with yourself as well, and don't compromise as well. That is what Archangel Michael is guiding you. You need to have faith in angels. And Archangel Michael is guiding you that, if for some of you, for those of you who who have leave a relationship behind. So just because you leave an unhealthy relationship behind, you won't be alone. So yes, you need to let go of that past, that toxic, that unhealthy relationship, and you need to manifest this new partner in your life. Yes, so that is what Archangel Michael is guiding you pile 2. And also, after your marriage, yes, a lot of you could be uh, engaging yourself in some energy healing work. Yes, and you could also engage yourself in learning those things as well. You could learn about some energy healing courses, like as I told you earlier, people will be learning a lot as well after your marriage. And you also have that spiritual talents and gifts within you. So yes, you could engage yourself in those energy healing work. And yes, also, pile 2, I feel that mm, right now, as you watch this video, some of you could be very confused. Yes, about making that decision, about choosing that partner as well. So yes, this is a sign that angels they want you to know that you need to take your time and you need to think upon it as well. Yes, and you need to let go of your past if that was an unhealthy relationship. And also, you shouldn't rush as well. Take your time, and you need to stay strong and relax. And you know you need to allow this situation to unfold naturally as well. Yes, keep visualizing, keep believing in angels, and also have faith that you deserve love as well. And yes, you need to allow this situation to unfold naturally. You need to have patience, and also you need to listen to any signs and any answers, any guidance, and you need to listen to your inner voice, because that is how angels, yes, and universe talk to you pile 2. And yes, I also feel that some of you after marriage, yes, with your inner voice as well, pile 2, some of you could be getting some ideas about your career as well. But yes, you people are going to have a very beautiful and a very successful marriage pile 2. Now let's see what messages do we have for you from the Akashic Tarot. So pile 2, from the Akashic Tarot, we have for you One of Keys, the Architect. Okay, then we have Fated Meeting. Wow. And we have Up in the Air. Okay, so pile 2, um, I feel that you need to recognize your, yes, strength, your talent, and your skills. You need to realize your inner power, your talents that you have, and you need to take charge of your life. Yes, and you need to know that you are the architect of your life. Yes, and also I feel that angels, they are asking you, they are guiding you, that you need to be aware of people who are trying to influence your marriage, and who are trying to influence your person as well. So yes, be aware of your surrounding as well. Yes, and also I feel that uh, this relationship, this marriage with your partner, it is it is a relationship from the past life as well. Yes, you both have met each other in the past life as well. So yes, and you will be coming together in this lifetime as well pile 2. and this relationship is going to be, very strong, very powerful, and very beautiful as well. Yes, as that person is going to be, like your true love. And also, uh you know uh the message that is coming up for you is that, you need to, trust that, yes, whatever is, going to come, in your life, after marriage, yes, and the relationship that you are going to share with your partner, that is going to be very beautiful. And also, you know you need to allow things to unfold naturally. Yes, and you need to trust that whatever is that, you are seeking, that is going to come towards you, that is going to reveal to you at the right time as well. Yes, and do not try to rush things. Yes, you need to have patience. And now let's see, uh, what guidance do we have for you from the Monology Oracle? So, from the Monology Oracle pile 2, we have for you conclusions are within reach. Okay. Then we have balance, spirituality, and practicality. And we have the end of a tough cycle approaches. Wow. So, yes, pile 2. I feel that, when you meet this new partner, yes, you may have already been through a lot. Yes, and that tough cycle in your life has already come to an end. And from, you know after your marriage, your life will be all about new beginnings and positive new beginnings ahead. Yes, and also your marriage will help you, grow spiritually as well. And angels, they are asking you that, you need to forgive those and let go of any emotional baggage, any hurt, any pain, any past, anger and past, negative emotions as well. You need to let go of that. You need to forgive those who have hurt you, and you need to, start a new beautiful beginning with your partner as well. Yes, and also, I feel that, angels, they are guiding you that, you need to meditate a lot as well, because that is also going to help you, realize your talents, the gifts that you have as well. And also, you need to keep thinking positive thoughts, and you need to believe that, yes, you deserve love, and keep thinking positive thoughts as well. And yes, with this card as well, I feel that, some of you, you know are going to get married very soon as well. Yes, and yes, you need to have a balance in your life. Like, you need to have a balance between your spiritual life and practical life. Yes, balance both the material life and spiritual life as well. So yes, a very beautiful energy. You are going to find your true love, a very favorable outcome. So yes, that was all for you, pile 2. I hope that the messages resonates with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if the messages resonates with you, if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonates with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 2. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome, pile 3. For those of you who choose this crystal, now let's see what messages do we have for you and what angels have in store for you. So we will look into the messages from the other deck later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So pile 3, from the tarot deck, we have for you the Queen of Wands. Okay, and we have the Ace of Swords. We have the Seven of Pentacles. we have the Star card. Wow. And we have the Three of Cups. Okay. And we have the King of Swords. Okay. So pile 3, I feel that your life after marriage, it is going to be full of happiness, yes, and a lot of celebrations. And at the same time, it is going to be very peaceful as well. Yes, a very peaceful and a very harmonious relationship that is going to, yes, that you are going to have with your partner. Yes, and after marriage, pile 3, I feel that a lot of you would become like very ambitious and very much focused in your career. And I also feel that a lot of you are going to get a lot of success after your marriage as well in your career. Yes, and yes, in your finances as well. Yes, a lot of success after your marriage. And I also feel that after your marriage, pile 3, you people are going to have a lot of clarity, a lot of understanding about how you want your partner to be with you, like how you want this marriage to be like, how you want your relationship to be like. And I feel that both of you, yes, the both of you will have a very good understanding, and your relationship will be based on understanding, and the foundation of your marriage will be very strong. Yes, like the roots of your marriage will be very strong, pile 3. And you both will be like each other wish fulfillment. Yes, um but yes, one thing, pile 3, I also feel that uh, that they will be very protective about you. Your partner will be very protective about you, they will be very caring. Yes, and I also feel that yes, both of you will be exploring new places, and yes, traveling a lot, and you both will travel a lot. Yes, a very beautiful energy, and a lot of high energy and so much passion is what I feel in this reading. Yes, and also yes, you people are going to travel a lot together. And yes, you people have, both of you have very high energy, and I feel that this relationship, it could come into the eyes of others. Yes, so you need to be very careful, and you need to protect your energies, pile 3. Yes, and I also feel that you people will be like, the two of you will always be surrounded by people like your friends, family. There will be a lot of celebrations. You'll be um, always are going in some social events, some, yes, or outdoor activities with, yes, your friends, your families. But basically you'll always be surrounded by too many people around you. Yes, and also for those of you who are already in a relationship, I feel that your partner, the person you are currently in relationship with, yes, they keep an eye on you, like um, even though they are not very much expressive about their emotions, but yes, they are always watching you over social media, watching your activity as well. Yes, because it's just that they care about you, and they are very protective about you, pile 3. Yes, and they are very loving towards you, and you both have a very balanced energy, and a very peaceful and harmonious marriage. That is what I feel for you. And yes, both of your career that is going to thrive after marriage, and especially you people are going to have achieve a lot of success in your career after your marriage. Yes, a very beautiful relationship. Yes, now let's see what messages do we have for you from the romance angels. So pile 3 from the romance angels, we have for you religious factors. Okay. Then we have flirt. Okay. And we have make the effort. Okay. Then we have passion. Okay. Romantic feelings and wedding. Wow. So yes, pile 3, I feel that for those of you who are already in a relationship, or yes, for also for those of you for whom this partner is going to be a new person, both of you, your families could have different traditions, like, or could be from even different religion as well. You both could have different upbringing, and you both could have yes, but yes, religious factors is something that is going to affect your marriage. Yes, maybe at first I feel that maybe your family or their family could be against this marriage. Like, you both could have to convince them about this relationship. For those of you who are already in a relationship, yes, this is the only thing that I see in your love life. But other than that, yes, you people are going to have a very beautiful and very passionate relationship with your partner. And yes, your partner is, like, we have the flirt card. So yes, your partner is going to be very flirty, and they will flirt with you. And also, angels, they are guiding you that you need to make the effort as well. And you need to express your love, and you need to express your emotions as well to your partner, and make them feel loved as well. And yes, we have the passion. So yes, your relationship, as I told you earlier from the tarot deck as well, your relationship is full of passion and a lot of energy, high energy. And you both will have romantic feelings towards each other. And yes, this relationship will be all about romance, love, understanding, peace and harmony. A very, very beautiful energy. And we have the wedding as well. So yes, this is a sign that for those of you who are already in a relationship, who have met this person, so yes, you people are going to get married to your partner. You people are going to get married to your person as well. Yes, even though for some of you could be facing or having that religious factors affecting your love life, but yes, your situation yes, involves marriage. So you people are going to get married to your partner. Yes, and I also feel that with this card, some of you could be getting married very soon as well, as you watch this video. Yes. Now, let's see what messages do we have for you from the Archangel Michael Oracle. So, from the Archangel Michael, we have for you pile 3, belief and trust. Okay. Then we have your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. Okay. Then we have spend more time outdoors. Okay. And we have this situation is already resolved. Okay. So yes, pile 3, Archangel Michael, yes, he's guiding you that you need to have faith, and you need to believe in yourself, in angels, in Archangel Michael. And also you need to believe in yourself and your partner as well after marriage. Yes. And also right now, as you watch this video, you need to believe that yes, whatever is going to happen in your life, your marriage, that is going to be very beautiful. Yes. And you need to trust your relationship, you need to trust your partner. That is what is coming for you, pile 3. And yes, your marriage is going to be full of happiness. Yes, and also, angels are guiding you that, yes, if you are having any confusion, you know, yes, about this relationship and about this marriage, then yes, angels are guiding you that it is safe for you to move forward. Yes, and also angels are asking you that, after your marriage, you know if you have, some issues coming up between the two of you, then yes, you both need to keep your ego, out of the way. And yes, you need to remember that, yes, you have a very beautiful marriage, and you need to, you know let your inner guidance, you know you need to trust your inner guidance, and you need to follow the path, your inner guidance leads you towards. Because, I feel that, pile 3, both of you are very, very strong person. And my viewers, you people, I feel that you people are very impatient at time as well. You people have very impulsive energy as well. And you people could be, very stubborn at time as well. So you need to keep, your ego out of this relationship, out of this marriage. Yes, but other than that, you people are going to have a very beautiful marriage. Yes, a marriage filled with happiness, lot of celebration, a lot of peace. And yes, also, for those of you, who are watching this video, if you are confused that, whether you are going to get married to the person you are currently in relationship or not. So yes, this is a sign, this is a guidance from the Archangel Michael and angels that yes, you people are going to get married to this person, and you people are going to, it is safe for you to take this relationship to the next level. And we also have wedding from the Romance Angels oracle as well. Then we have spend more time outdoors. So yes, Archangel Michael is guiding you that pile 3, you need to, connect with nature, and you need to spend more time outdoors, because that is going to, help you relax, and also that is going to reduce your stress. And, doing something, in outdoors, like after your marriage, going out somewhere, exploring new places, traveling together, that is going to benefit your relationship a lot. Like even doing any outdoor activities with your partner, that is going to, help both of you come together and help your bond gets more deep as well. And also, with this card, I feel that, pile 3, that angels, yes, they are asking you that, you need to get some fresh air as well. You need to, maybe some of you are a very, like indoor person, so you need to go out more, like you need to spend more time outside, and also allow, fresh air to come in your, space where you live as well. Like yes, could be through, like window, door as well. And also, I feel that connecting with nature, and even, having some plants, and uh, engaging yourself in some gardening activities, that is also, yes, going to help you a lot. It is going to be a lot more beneficial. And maybe also, I feel that, for some of you, after your marriage, some of you could be even working in this kind of profession as well. Like you could become an environmentalist as well. Yes, but basically, spending time outdoor in nature, connecting with nature, spending time there, that is going to help you a lot. And I also feel that, with the Ace of Swords and with this card, that Spending time more outside, that is also going to bring you a lot of clarity, a lot of understanding, and it is going to help you, listen to your inner guidance a lot, and brings you a lot of clarity in your life. So yes, you need to spend more time outdoors, and then we have this situation is already resolved. So yes, Archangel Michael is guiding you that pile 3, if you have any worries, then you need to let go of any worries, because yes, I feel that, as I told you earlier, some of you are really impatient. So yes, you need to have patience, let go of any worries, and just know that Archangel Michael is guiding you, and he's always protecting you, and anything that is causing you worry, he's already taking care of it, and that situation is already resolved, and that is going to resolve as well. So yes, just know that if you face any issues, any trouble in your marriage, like very little issues, I don't see any major issues, like I only see that, as both of you are very headstrong person, so both of you are very strong person. So at times, your ego could come up in your relationship. So you need to keep that aside. Yes, and Archangel Michael is guiding you that there's nothing you need to worry about, because everything will be taken care of by the angels. Yes, and you people are going to have a very beautiful marriage. Yes, now let's see what messages do we have for you from the Akashic Tarot. So pile 3 from the Akashic Tarot, we have for you Uriel and the Sphinx. Okay, then we have Adzim, and we have the Queen of Scrolls. Okay, and we have the Five of Forces. Okay, and we have the Four of Forces. Okay, so pile 3, I feel that some of you could meet your partner through a friend or someone and also I feel that with this card, that after your marriage, you people are going to transform a lot in a positive way. Yes, and also I feel that pile 3, that uh, your partner or their family, they could have uh, like some beliefs, and they follow traditions a lot, and we have the religious practice as well. So yes, there could be like difference in the religion or your upbringing, your spiritual path as well. Like if you people are not very traditional, then your partner or their family could be very much traditional as well. So yes, that is one thing I see in this marriage. So, and also, and yes, I feel that both of you together, yes, as you both are very understanding, and you both are very supportive of each other. So I feel that together you people are going to achieve success, and together you people are going to achieve your dreams as well. And also angels, they are guiding you that you people need to realize your inner power. uh, pile 3, yes, you need to realize your inner strength. And also a lot of people is coming up in this reading. So I feel that uh, maybe like uh, other people, they are going to help you come together. Like you could meet this person through a friend, or someone you knew, or also uh, I feel that maybe after your marriage, pile 3, you could find people who are like you, who have like similar interest like you, and who help you transform and who help you grow a lot. Yes. And also, I feel that pile 3, for some of you, you may have already met this person, like you could already be in a relationship, or even if you are not in a relationship, but you could have already met this person. You know, maybe for some of you, I feel that, maybe they could be from one of your friends, and your friendship could develop into a love and then marriage for some of you. Yes, it is also possible. And also, with the Queen of Scrolls, I feel that you people are going to have a lot of knowledge and wisdom, yes, after marriage, and your career is going to thrive a lot. You people are going to achieve a lot of success in your career. Yes. And also, I feel that your partner will be very supportive and very helpful. Yes. And also, uh, pile 3, I feel that some of you, yes, you people, if you haven't met this partner, then yes, some of you are going to meet that partner very soon. And also, with this card, I feel that some of you could be taking this relationship to the next level very soon. And yes, you people will be always, after your marriage, both of you will be traveling a lot. You people will be visiting a lot of places, and it will be like, season will just come and go like that, because you people are always, moving, traveling here and there. Yes, you people are going to, explore a lot of new places. And also, I feel that, for some of you, you could, even move to a new city or a country after your marriage. Yes, because I feel that, uh, before marriage, there could be a geographical distance, like your partner could live in a different city or a different country as well. Yes, that is also very possible. And also, I feel that, after your marriage, pile 3, you people will be, very busy, like, as I told you earlier, you people will be engaging a lot in, attending a lot of social events and doing a lot of outdoor activities, together with your partners. So yes, that is going to keep you very busy after your marriage. Yes. And then we have 4 of Keys, clearing the way. So yes, um, both of you together will, achieve a lot of goals, achieve a lot of dreams after your marriage. And also, together you people will be able to remove any obstacles. Yes. And your partner, they are always going to support you, and you people are going to remove any obstacles. And yes, your marriage will be all about, going out, traveling. And I also feel that, yes, the two of you, in future, you both could, buy your own house, and you people could move into that house as well. Yes, just the two of you after your marriage. Very beautiful energy, pile 3. Now, let's see what guidance, what messages do we have for you from the Monology Oracle. So, from the Monology Oracle, pile 3, we have for you, you are very close to achieving your goal. Okay. And we have the wedding card as well. So, I feel that, some of you are going to get married very soon as you watch this video. And we have adjustments are required. Okay. So, I feel that this could be because of the ego that is coming up between the two of you. And then we have believe in the impossible. Wow, very beautiful card. So yes, pile 3, I feel that yes, for some of you, your wedding is going to happen very, very soon as you watch this video. And also, I feel that, yes, as I told you earlier, together you both will achieve a lot of success. Yes. And I also feel that, angels, they are asking you, they are guiding you that, you need to, yes, you need to learn to make adjustment as well. Yes. Because I see that, yes, I see that two things is coming up in this reading. First is that, both of you are very, yes, very strong person. So yes, ego could be coming up in your relationship. And also, I feel that your partner or their family could be, following a lot of traditions, some old beliefs. So yes, you both could have a different upbringing. So yes, you need to make certain adjustments, because you have a very beautiful relationship. Yes. So yes, do not, yes, just don't let go of this beautiful relationship just because you have to make a little adjustments. Pile 3, because with your partner, yes, you have a very, very beautiful relationship. Yes. And then we have adjustments are required. So yes, you are getting the sign that you need to make adjustments, and adjustments are required from both of these cards. So yes, you need to make certain adjustments for your own highest good, for your own uh, successful and happy marriage and harmonious marriage. Pile 3. Yes. So let go of any ego, let go of always the need to be right as well. Yes. And value your marriage, your relationship. Pile 3. Yes, because you are going to have a very, very beautiful relationship. And if you just are ready to make certain adjustments, if you believe and trust in yourself and in your relationship and in your partner, then yes, you will be able to clear any obstacles that is going to come in your life. Yes. And yes, also with this card, I feel that something, yes, something new and something exciting is coming up in your life. And we have the wedding card as well. So yes, I feel that some of you could get married very soon. And also I feel that you people need to trust yourself, and you need to trust your partner, to keep moving forward and to help each other grow after your marriage. Yes. And you need to release any worries and any negative emotions as well. And then we have a very beautiful and very positive card, believe in the impossible. Blue moon. So this is a message from the angels that that the partner you are going to get married to, they are like once in a blue moon. They are a very rare find. And yes, you need to value your partner, your marriage as well. Yes. And you need to believe in the impossible, that you need to believe in your dreams, in your marriage. You need to believe in your partner. You need to believe in angels, that yes, you people are going to have a very beautiful life after marriage. Yes. Keep thinking positive thoughts. Pile 3. Yes. And also listen to your inner voice as well. Yes. A very beautiful relationship. Yes, your partner is going to be like one of a kind, a very rare find, like once in a blue moon. Very beautiful message is coming for you. Pile 3. So yes, believe in your partner, believe in angels, have faith in angels, and trust and believe in yourself as well. And yes, if need to make certain adjustments, then yes, just learn to make certain adjustments, let go of any issues as well, because you have a very beautiful marriage, and a very beautiful partner is coming up for you. So yes, that was all for you, pile 3. I hope that the messages resonates with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if the messages resonates with you, if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonates with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 3. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all, and I hope you all have a very good life after marriage. So yes, that was all for you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.